The 15th BRICS Summit has brought together the Global South to ensure its voice is heard in a world defined by power imbalances, said South Africa's BRICS ambassador, Anil Suklal.
I think there's a level of impatience in terms of how we have been treated by our partners in the North. We continue to be marginalized. We continue to be ignored in terms of global decision making. And yet the world has changed. The Global South cannot be ignored in terms of what's happening on the global stage. And I think BRICS has been a catalyst to bring the Global South together. And it's for the first time in recent geopolitics that you have as a collective a powerful body representing the voice of the Global South.
Hosted by South African President Cyril Ramaphosa, the 15th BRICS Summit has garnered global attention not seen in years. President Ramaphosa has invited nearly 70 leaders from across Africa, Latin America, and Asia, among other regions, to South Africa.
BRICS is about partnership, it's about cooperation, it's about working together. And I think this gives us an opportunity to strengthen the interaction between Africa and BRICS. This gives us an opportunity to strengthen that partnership, strengthen cooperation, and working together.